Gotta sync them up. So we are in Powhatan State Park. We just had lunch down here by the canoe kayak launch. And I'm just riding down here to see what this is. The little covered area back there was pretty nice, but there were about 2 armies worth of carpenter bees running around doing their thing. So it looks like this is a trailhead for hiking. Yep, sure is. I don't know anything about the trails here. We're on a recon mission. You hear me back there?
I can.
Rebecca has a camera on her helmet now, so she's looking around and stuff. Maybe it'll be on video. I've only been here once, and that was I went straight to the campground, visit my friend and Marty and his wife Jamie. I think that was the year before last, right after I got the bike, the Tiger. There's nobody here today, really. I'm going to do a zoom through the campground like a Recon. I'm thinking about camping here one day this year.
Yeah, I love to camp regardless of where we are, but this is a new place, someplace we've never camped before. So it'd be fun, try something different, new. The stand-up paddle boards on the water.
It's hot today, it's 84, I feel it in here too. It's a pretty long road that goes back to where the canoe launch is. More horse trail riding. I don't know where that trailhead is. I haven't seen the parking lot yet where they park their horse trailers.
Oh, that horse isn't cooperating.
There's a whole bunch of them. We just crossed the path. There they go. Yep.
She's fighting with that one.
Yep. It's a beautiful horse, though. This park is really spread out.
Definitely not as wooded as some of the other places.
No, it's wooded, but it's cleared off the side of the road quite a bit. What is that? Oh, conservation area. Another trail. So this is trailhead parking. Alright, alright. There's a dump station. Alright. That's all the horse people parked, I guess. Okay, what's all the way back? Riverbend Campground. Okay. There's a canoe launch. Oh, okay, I think I've been back here. These are group campgrounds. Should I go through there?
Group campground.
Let me hit that on the way out, I think.
Maybe the buddy sites are separated from the individual sites so you don't have to worry about partying all night.
Yeah. Okay, so there's a campground. Let's go to the canoe launch. And we'll come back to that campground. Well, here's the other canoe launch here at Powhatan State Park. It's the James River right over there. The same kind of launch. You have to, it's only for canoes and kayaks. You really can't, and paddle boards, you really can't launch a boat there.
a kayak set up for their stand-up paddleboard like I do.
Oh, okay. Got a seat on it?
Yep, sure does.
Let's see how far it is back to the campground from here. Well, it's only a half a mile from the canoe launch right there to the gate up here, to the road into the campground. But you don't want to carry a kayak or a canoe or a paddleboard a half a mile.
Nope.
They got 29 here. Yeah, they were right here in site number 2. Yep, that's where they were.
Yurts.
Yep. Oh, I didn't know they had yurts back here. That's pretty cool.
Nice.
Yep. Yeah, those sunroof. These are all set. These all have electric and water, it looks like. Every one of them. They all
There's
have
a
water,
pump, yep.
which is convenient for sure. I mean, but it's just going to make it cost more if you're hiking or camping with a tent. I don't know if they got any primitive camping out here or not. Did we pass another campground on the way in?
The group. Oh.
Oh yeah, the group camping.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think these are all RV spots. Every one of them have electric and water. That one right there has zero shade. Yep. Some tells me that group camping is primitive.
Is this the group camping right here?
Yeah, I bet it's primitive. Oh, I see. There's campsites out there. See them?
Right,
Primitive.
there's water pumps right there.
Primitive campsites out there. Nice.
But there is a slab though. It looks like they're nice.
Yeah, it's like Westmoreland, like little gravel spots with a hook, a lantern hook.
Right.
So it looks like it's 3 miles from the entrance of the park to that last canoe kayak launch. So that's not horrible. Seems a lot longer, I guess, because you're going 25 miles an hour. Oof.